The name of the business is pinklily.com.
We're an online women's retailer clothing.
This is an e-commerce business. And we are located in Bowling Green, Kentucky with 50 employees and $15 million a year in sales.
If you, of course, just open a retail store, you are very limited to just the customers in that town. With social media, you can just sell all over the world.
People go to the website and order whatever clothing they want, and we ship it out.
Right now, it's anywhere between 700 or 800 orders a day, which in the average order gets 2 products, so about 1,600 products a day. That we have about, I think, 8 to 10 full-time packagers that, pull those orders and package and ship them all over the world.
Shoes, boots, sweaters, dresses, workout gear, jewelry, sunglasses.
It's overflowing, as you can see.
So we've been in business now a little over 4 years, and things are going great.
I really think what worked the best is our marketing strategy, and our price point is very great for people that are, price conscious.
It didn't start out this big. It started as a Facebook group that my wife kind of ran in her spare time. It started out of our living room. We wanted to do something on the side that would bring in a little extra money. We started out having maybe 1 or 2 orders a week.
Once our website started, to 10 orders a day, 20 orders a day, and just kept growing from there.
We realized that there was a big market for this.
We launched our website in 2014, and by the summer, we had moved out of our house to our first warehouse. By the fall, we had moved out of that warehouse to a bigger warehouse, and then by the next year, we moved into this warehouse. So we changed locations 4 times in the first year and a half. I'm so thankful that we've grown it to this, but it takes a lot of hard work, and
it's not been easy. It's been a little stressful. It's been hard.
It is very rewarding. With a business like this, you can absolutely see that as it grows, it's based on your work.
We started from nothing, so we didn't take on any outside investment. We don't have any investors currently in the business. It's 100% owned by me and my wife.
We're not working for anybody else.
It's nice to be the boss. I absolutely prefer being self-employed.